Good morning guys! Tara kape! For today's video guys, nakareceive ako ng maraming message from viewers na nagsasabi na na-approvean daw sila ng Maya Black credit card nang hindi naman sila nag-apply. So, I've checked the internet and also got some feedback coming from other users ng Maya na automatic daw silang pinadalan ng Maya Black credit card even though hindi naman sila nag-apply. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Well, for one, kasama yan sa sinign up natin sa bank na anytime pwede nila tayong bigyan ng mga pre-approved credit cards. So, based on the bank's assessment, tinitingnan nila yung ating creditworthiness at kung nakita nila na worthy tayo to get a credit card, then papadala nila tayo. Pag tanggap mo natin, nasa sa atin naman yun kung gagamitin natin or totally ipapakancel na lang yung account. So, may question naman din sa akin. Dahil pinadalan siya ng Maya Black credit card, okay lang ba na hindi niya gamitin? May charges ba siyang babayaran? So, ang sagot dito, actually, kung Maya Black yan, merong inactivity fee na tinatawag. Para siyang dormancy fee. Pero in this case, credit card kasi siya, so ang tawag nila dito ay inactivity fee. Meaning, kapag wala kang activity na ginawa dyan, hindi ka nang hiram or nagkaskas, well, charge ka ng inactivity fee. And how much is this inactivity fee? Well, it's 50 pesos per month after 6 months of inactivity. Ibig sabihin nito, na within 6 months na wala kang ginagawa sa card mo, on the 7th month, chargean ka nila ng 50 pesos. At pag wala ka pa rin ginawa, inactive pa rin yung card, chargean ka nila ng 50 pesos per month. So, ganun yung magiging charging sa inyo. So, ang tanong, worth it ba? Well, dahil hindi naman kayo nag-apply or hindi naman siya secured credit card, sa tingin ko worth it naman. It's just that you have to really know how to use a credit card, how to manage it, because sa simula nakakatakot yan, but sa totoo lang, if you have the proper knowledge, well, it would really help boost your credit score. So kung akong tatanungin nyo, kung ipapaklose nyo ba yan o hindi dahil hindi naman kayo nag-apply, well, for me, it's no annual fee for life. Just make sure do a simple transaction every now and then mas makakatulong pa yan to build your credit score. So later on, we'll just have a further head-to-head comparison between the two credit cards of Maya, the Maya Black and the Maya Landers credit card, though wala po akong Maya Black, but we can still do a comparison between the two naman. Yun lang muna for this morning's video. Good morning sa inyo.